Hey everyone, welcome back to the A1 Coding. Today we are going to make this beautiful shiny glass button effect using just CSS. If you're ready, let's get started.
Open your VS Code. If you have any other editor, that's alright. Let's create an HTML file. Name it index.html. Let's apply the basic codes. Let's give a title of shiny glass button. Inside the body section, create a div and give it a class of container. And inside this container, create your button. And after that, create a CSS file. Let's call it style.css. And don't forget to link your CSS file in the head tag of your HTML file. And the style section, let's just remove the basic padding and margin that the browser gives. So we say the padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box, and I'm using a sans serif font family. You can use any other font you want. Select the body tag. Let's give a width of 100 pw, a height of 100 ph. This covers the full screen. And let's give a background of linear gradient from top to bottom. And I'm setting the initial color purple. The ending color should be dark blue. And let's just select a brighter color. Select our container div and give it a width of 100% and a height of 100%. Because the button is inside this container, there's a display of flex, and justify content center, align items also center, because we want this button to be positioned center. Let's select the button, give a width of 200 pixels and a height of 80 pixels, and we don't want any border, so set the border to none and give a background color of transparent and give a backdrop filter. And let's just give a box shadow. Let's give a white color but lower the opacity. Give a border radius, and let's just select the color. The font color should be white. The font size 20 pixels. The cursor should be a pointer. Let's see the result. For now, open your HTML file with live server. Beautiful. Let's split the screen. So let's create an after element for the button. Let's set the content to nothing and give a width of 0 pixels and a height of 200 pixels, and give a background color of white. And let's also give a blurry effect to this by selecting the backdrop filter. And let's just give a box shadow. Let's see. Give a position of absolute, but before that, don't forget to give the button itself a position of relative. And after that, let's give the after element a position of absolute. And we want the left value should be minus 30 pixels and the top value should be minus 80 pixels. This is the after element. Let's create our transition. When we hover on the button, we want the after element to change the position to left 250 pixels. Let's just give a transition so it will look smooth. Beautiful. Let's say when we hover on the button, we want the scale to increase a little. And let's give a transition to this as well for the smoothness. Go to the after and let's rotate it a little bit. For the final change, select your button and say overflow hidden. There you have it, guys. We create this beautiful shiny effect for our button.
If you want to learn more of these useful tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.